Hey Bays, it's Ashlyn here, and I'm going to be doing a slime video today. So let's go get the ingredients. So this is what my slime looks like. Okay. Things that you'll need are a bowl that you don't mind destroying. This is just a paper bowl. Shampoo, salt, and for coloring, acrylic paint. So just put in as much slime you want.
Ashlyn?
Yes?
Georgina's back.
As much slime that you want, just a little less. So you have your shampoo. Now you take your salt. You go. Oh, and I forgot one thing. Something to mix with. Okay, I have this knife. So I just did a little bit. Now you mix it. I'm gonna put you down so I can mix. If it's still shampoo-like, put a tiny dash more. Now I'm gonna put you guys down one more time, just mix.